Hello, everybody. So the third transformation that we'll be looking at is called a reflection. All right, so think about you see your reflection when you look into a mirror. So a reflection is a transformation that uses a line of reflection to create a mirror image of the original figure. Okay? The line of reflection we can also call an axis of symmetry. So, if I want to reflect this L-shaped figure over the x-axis, remember the x-axis is my horizontal one. X-axis is the same thing as y equals 0. That's the equation of the line for the x-axis. All right, in order to do this, I'm just going to count. So notice how 3 units is, the point 3 is 2 units above the x-axis. 3 prime is going to be 2 units below. 2 is 2 units above. 2 units below is 2 prime. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units above. So 1 prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units below. And there is this figure after being reflected over the x-axis, or over the line y equals 0. The coordinates of those, 1 prime is -5, -7. 2 prime is -5, -2. 3 prime is, my left hand, is -3, -2. Okay? What about if we wanted to reflect this over the y-axis? So here's the y-axis. The equation of that line is x equals 0. All right, so I'm going to count. 3 is 1, 2, 3 units to the left. So 3 prime is going to be 3 units to the right. 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left. So 2 prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left. So 1 prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. Here is that figure after being reflected across the y-axis. Coordinates, 1 prime is at 5, 7. 2 prime is at 5, 2. And 3 prime is at 3, 2. Okay? What do you notice if I look at the pre-image coordinates and their image coordinates? What do you notice the pattern is? All right, if I reflect over the x-axis, my x-coordinate is going to stay the same, but my y-coordinate is going to be negated. I'm going to take the negative or the opposite of my y-coordinate. All right, because I'm flipping over the x-axis. The x-coordinate staying the same, the y-coordinate is changing. What about with the y-axis? If I started with my x-y coordinates, here the y stayed the same because I just reflected over the y-axis, but the x-coordinate, I'm going to take the opposite of the x-coordinate. All right? So that is a good start for this video. Tune into the next one where we do some more examples. All right, but make sure you kind of recognize that pattern of what's going on when I reflect over the x-axis or the y-axis.